Good morning, everyone. In today's lecture, I'm going to teach about the history of nursing in India. So, first, we start with the introduction. Knowledge of the profession's history increases the nurse's awareness and promotes an understanding of the social and intellectual regions of discipline. So, if we have a knowledge about our profession's history, only then it enhances our awareness and promotes our understanding towards the social and intellectual regions of discipline. ਮੈਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਡੀ ਹਿਸਟਰੀ ਦੇ ਰਿਗਾਰਡ ਅਗਰ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਓਨਲੀ ਦੈਨ ਸਾਡੀ ਅਵੇਅਰਨੈਸ ਐਂਡ ਅੰਡਰਸਟੈਂਡਿੰਗ ਇਨਹਾਂਸ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਕਿ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਇਸ ਦਾ ਓਰੀਜਨ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਸਾਡੀ ਨਰਸਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਓਰੀਜਨ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਇਹ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਹੋਈ ਐਂਡ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਇਸ ਦੀ ਫਾਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਈ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਮੈਂਟ ਹੋਈ. So first, from its earliest history, nursing was form of community service to protect and preserve the family. So earliest time period to ही main focus है कि community health services provide करनी है, community ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ services provide करनी है, either on the basis of the individual, either on the basis of family and the whole community. So main focus ਅਸੀਂ community services provide ਕਰਨੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡਾ main focus ਹੋਏਗਾ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ protect ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ and preserve ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ families ਦੀ health ਨੂੰ. Historical men and women held the role of nurse. From history, both men and women they are performing the and doing the job of nurse and performing the role of nurse. In prehistoric period, women were responsible for gathering herbs, roots, and plants that were used to heal the sick. In prehistoric period, women were used to gather responsible for gathering the herbs, roots, and plants. Means जो women ਸੀ ਉਹ ਜੜੀਆਂ ਬੂਟੀਆਂ ਇਕੱਠੀਆਂ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਸੀ and ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ patients ਨੂੰ care provide ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ use ਕਰਕੇ ਆਪਣੇ sick person ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸੀ sick patients ਸੀਗੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ care provide ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ. Entry of women into nursing can be traced to approximately 300 AD. जो entry है women दी in a nursing profession that was traced approximately in the 300 AD. Next is ancient India. The earliest literature of India consists of Sanskrit Veds or sacred books, and the four principal Vedas are Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, and the Atharva Veda. And from using these Sanskrit Vedas and the sacred book, they use the formulas and the therapies to provide the care to their patients. Next is King Emperor Ashoka. He was the first person who improved the medical care in India, and his main focus is on prevention of disease condition become the first priority and maintaining the personal hygiene. If one person, if he or she can performing the personal hygiene, maintaining his or her personal hygiene, only then person can prevent ourselves from himself from the prevention of disease condition, protect themselves from the or prevent their health from the disease conditions. So next is Hippocrates. Hippocrates was known as father of medicine and he spent much time in observing symptoms and able to teach that evil spirits didn't cause the disease condition. And he also developed the method of physical examination and history taking where we used to history taking method in the data collection as well as for the physical examination we do the head to toe examination as well as a systematic examination, and these methods are using to collect the data before proceeding the further towards the medical treatment. So these are the methods was developed by the Hippocrates. In the Middle Ages, during the Middle Ages, 1100 to 1200 AD, charitable institutions were started to care for the aged, sick, and the poor people. So during Middle Ages, so charitable institutions were started where they provide the care to the aged, sick, and the poor person. And nurses deliver this care, but they totally dependent on the physicians and the priest for the directions. Means totally ਜੋ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਫਿਜ਼ੀਸ਼ੀਅਨਸ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਆਰਡਰਸ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੈਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਰਸਿਸ ਕੀ ਕੇਅਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ. ਐਂਡ ਨਰਸਿੰਗ ਮਿਡਵਾਈਫਰੀ ਫਲੋਰਿਸ਼ ਡਿਊਰਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਮਿਡਲ ਏਜਸ. ਜੋ ਨਰਸਿੰਗ ਮਿਡਵਾਈਫਰੀ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਡਿਊਰਿੰਗ ਮਿਡਲ ਏਜਸ ਕੀ ਫਾਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਏ. 15th to 19th century, they expanded healthcare by establishing hospitals and nursing orders for women. During 15th to 19th century, there was expanded healthcare was establishing with the hospitals expanded as well as the nursing orders for the women were expanded. Christianity greatly influenced the development of nursing. So Christians also greatly influenced the development of the nursing. Need of nurses and nursing responsibilities were increased due to economic growth of the 18th century, that is epidemic and the revolutionary war. So due to the epidemics, revolutionary war, and economic growth, so there was a great need of the nurses and nursing responsibilities that were increased during the 18th century. Sisters become widely known as visiting nurses because they care for the sick people in their homes. So nurses, sisters, no, usually they call the visiting nurses because they provide the care to the sick people while visiting their homes. In the 18th century, the further growth of cities brought an increase in the number of hospitals and expanded role of nurses. So in 18th century, there was a great increase in the hospitals number as well as expanded role of nurses. And formal nursing education, nursing knowledge and skills were generally passed by the experienced nurses. And ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਕੋਲ experience ਸੀ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਰਸਿਸ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਫਾਰਮਲ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਜੋ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਸਕਿੱਲਸ ਐਂਡ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰਨੀਆਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਜਿਸ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਫਾਰਮਲ ਨਰਸਿੰਗ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡ ਕਰਨੀ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕੀਤੀ ਡਿਊਰਿੰਗ ਦ ਐਂਡ ਫਰੋਮ ਦ 18th century. Florence Nightingale, and she was a founder of modern nursing. Florence Nightingale established the first nursing philosophy that is based on the health maintenance and restoration in notes of nursing, what it is and what it is not. Her views on nursing were derived from spiritual philosophy developed in her adolescence and adulthood and reflecting the changing needs of society. So her views is derived from the spiritual philosophy that developed in her adolescence and adulthood and reflecting the changing needs of the society. So she was the founder of modern nursing. In 1953, Nightingale went to Paris to study with the Sisters of Charity and was appointed as a superintendent of the English Journal hospitals in Turkey. And during the Civil War period, she brought about major reforms in hygiene, sanitation, nursing practice, and reduced the mortality rate at the Brex Hospital, Turkey. Next is the Civil War. Nursing services given to soldiers on the battlefield, cleaning their wounds, and meeting their basic needs and comforting them in the death. So nursing also provided their services during the Civil War, like to the soldiers on the battlefield and cleansing their wounds and meeting their basic needs and comforting them in the death. Nursing in hospitals expanded in the late 19th century. So nursing जो main focus role है जो expand होया that is in the late 19th century. 20th century. In the early 20th century, the movement towards a scientific, research-based, defined body of nursing knowledge and practice was seen. Nurses began to assume expanded and advanced practices roles. As education developed, nursing practices also expanded. Current trends. Today, the profession is faced with the multiple challenges. Nurses and nursing educators are revising the nursing practices and curricula to meeting the ever-changing needs of society. So in today's, our profession is facing with the multiple challenging, but still nurses and nursing educators and scientists revising their nursing practices and curriculum to meet the ever-changing needs of the society and the communities. So this is all about our history of nursing profession. So it originates from where it is originate, and it's a social formation from the social as well as on the intellectual basis, and in the current till the current trends. So this is all about the history taking. So hope you all understand. So next is summarization. So first we start with the historic, that is prehistoric period, ancient India, Hippocrates. Next we covered the Middle Ages and centuries, that is from 15th to 20th century, and the development of nursing, how it developed in the from 15th to 19th century, and in 18th century there was a development of the modern nursing where we started getting the formal education of the nursing, and we also covered the nursing trends. Hope you all understand this. Thank you so much.